Welcome this video evaluate realistic garlic bed for beginning. Incorporating gardening is a full-fledged hobby that often helps relax and the job of growing your own food. One of the most beyond friend and family affect gardening moment as elevate rustic gardening pad. Unlike traditional gardening is moment beyond the gardening up to the comfortable height on the back and make its attack to more people those with mobile income. Whether you are short on space, work with poles or just one, not on original step up, elevate district gardening bed are on excellent choose for beginning. What is an elevate rustic gardening bed? An elevate rustic gardening bed is a gardening bed that is later often the group supported by a structure such as wood material or recycled material theme. Often it's a plant's box or long. This movement different for traditional rustic bed that on the gardening elevate can run off just a foot of the gardening away. Height depend on your need. Benefit of elevate rustic gardening bed. No blend perfect for large gardening or those with limited. Keep your plant off the group and read access like reporting. Space effect. Idea for patio, balcony, rooftop, and smart yard. Elevate bed more effective root and solved growing seasoning. Resolved in elevate bed warm fast and in summer. The plants in the roll. Choose the right material. When built or by elevate rustic gardening bed, choose the right material, durable and plants health. Wood.